अब ज्यादा हो गया। अब ज्यादा हो गया।
ज्यादा हो गया?
हाँ।
ठीक है, एक काम करते हैं। हेलो सर, अभी
हाँ,
कम हो गया क्या?
अब नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं है।
ठीक है।
सो डायरेक्टली यू आर लिसनिंग।
डायरेक्टली आई एम स्पीकिंग, यस।
ओके ओके
ईयरफोन से वो आवाज आ रही है।
ओके। जस्ट विजिबल।
विजिबल सर।
थोड़ा वीडियो ऑन करो जरा देखते।
वीडियो
थोड़ा।
अभी दिखाई दे रहा है? मैं दिखाई दे रही हूँ?
हाँ। अब अब फोटो फोटो दिखा। हाँ, नो ओके, नो ओके, नो ओके ओके। व्हाट हैपेंड? सो you look oily today. Usually. Okay,
मेरा कैमरा भी हेजी हेजी है।
okay, okay. It's okay. Okay, अब बंद कर लो ना, but it's okay. Okay, it's okay. Close it now. So. Okay. Desktop visible ना?
यस सर।
Okay. Now we'll go with the now can you see something? Uh,
यस।
पेज आ गया, पेज आ गया। ये it's actually some of them are familiar to you, some of them are not much familiar.
ओके।
Okay, so here استخدام في مقامات high for everything here. This one same thing replica down here. Same thing replica. I will send these slides to you, no problem. Same thing down here. Okay, same thing. Okay, first one is how. How को कैसा बोलेंगे? That is called कैफ। ठीक है, हाउ एक लाइन लिख के लिख दो फॉर हाउ टू से कैफ, यू नो ऑलरेडी, बट फिर भी एक बार। कैफ मीन हाउ, which we use for the कैफ हाल। कैफ अंता, कैफ अंती, कैफ अंतुम, uh, how are you all, so something like this. How is he? कैफ हुआ, how is he? कैफ हिया, how is she? कैफ hum, how are they? Okay. So next one is you can see down there is a pink color. हमारा क्या बोलते हैं? Let me take
मन।
एक minute. So I'll take this one. This one. This is man. Who?
यस यस हु।
Man हुआ, man हिया, man हो, man anta. Huh? That which
याद है
is
सर।
okay. So other one is this also you know very well. Where? What is it? How to say where? Can you tell me? Where? Uh, where? Where is called?
आना।
No.
आ। लास्ट
No.
इज ना।
No. Delete. Where there is called Aina.
आईना।
Aina. So Aina. Aina Anta, where are you? Aina Hua, where is he? A- Aina Hiya, where is she? Aina Antum, where are they? See, Aina Anta, Aina Anti, Aina Hua, Aina Hiya, same thing. Simple, you can use it. Aina Hua, just tell, just say whatever you remember. Aina Hua, Aina Hiya, Aina Anta, Aina Anti, Aina Antum. ठीक है, just say yourself. थोड़ा
आईना
practice
हिया।
करो.
आईना हिया, आईना हुआ, आईना हुम,
Mm,
आईना हुमा,
yeah,
आईना हुन्ना,
yeah.
हिया। हिया
Yep,
हुआ हुम।
yeah. So, it will it will come. अब actually एक बार practice कर लो. हुआ, हुमा, हिया,
हुआ
हुमा,
हुमा
हुन्ना.
हुम, हिया हुमा हुन्ना।
That is a third person singular, dual, plural, masculine, feminine. So, second person, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna. Say no?
अंता अंतुमा अंतुम, अंतुमा
No.
अं,
No, first one, same series. Anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna. Try no?
अंता अंतुम, अंतुमा अंतुम,
Yeah,
अं, अंति अंतुमा अंतुन्ना।
that's it. That is a second person, masculine, plural, masculine, feminine, singular, dual, plural. So first person is ana, nahnu.
Ana, nahnu.
Ana, no. So this can be used ana. You can say what optimistic. What is your post? Ana?
Ana is who? I.
Yeah, I am. I
I
or
am.
I am. What is your profession? Ana
Optometrist.
optometrist. Ana optometrist. That's all. Ana Mohandis. What is meaning of Mohandis?
Manager.
Mohandis is an engineer.
Mohan. Yo.
Mohandis is engineer. Mudir means manager.
Mudir means
Mu-
manager. Okay.
Mudir means manager, principal, supervisor. Anybody is a leader. Huh?
Hmm.
Anybody is a leader. So you can ask. Uh, Aina Mudir, where is manager? Uh, Aina Mohandis, where is engineer? Aina Tabib, where is doctor?
Tabibun.
Aina Tabib. But when you are speaking, you will not make Tabibun, you will make Tabib. Tabib.
Tab.
Uh, then Aina Sayyara, what is meaning of Sayyara?
Two
Remember?
wheeler.
No, Sayyara, four-wheeler.
Sayar is four wheeler.
Yeah.
Car. Okay.
Daraja mean two-wheeler.
Two wheeler. Karaja means two wheeler.
Okay. So, so Aina Anta, where are you? Aina Anti, where are you? Aina Hua, where is he? Aina Hia, where is she? Try now.
Aina
One.
hua. Where are you?
Okay. How to say where is he? Where is she?
Aina here.
Okay. Where are you?
Where are you?
Hmm.
Aina nahnu.
No. Where are you?
Huma. 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 Aina huma.
Aina Huma means two. Where are you both?
Where are you both?
I am asking where are you?
You is ana nahnu. Nahnu is
No.
you, no sir.
No. Where me Aina Anta.
Anta.
You. Aina Anta. Where are you? Aina Anti. Feminine.
Anta.
Okay.
You. Okay.
One second. How to say where are you?
Aina anta.
Okay. How will say who are you?
Who are you?
Oh, no. No. How will say who are you?
Man hua.
Uh,
Man anta.
yes. Again you say where are you? How will say?
Man anta.
No. Where are you?
Where are you? Aina anta.
Okay. Who are you?
Man anta.
Okay. Then how are you?
How are you? Kaf anta.
Very good. Okay. थोड़ा और एक बार. How to say who are you?
Who are you is uh, who are you? Man anta.
Okay. Who is he? How will say?
Man here.
Who? That is
Hua.
man.
Hua.
Okay.
Hua.
Man
Hua.
hua. Okay.
Man hua.
Okay. Where are you?
Where are you is Aina. Aina anta.
Okay. Where is he?
Where is he? Aina hua.
Okay.
Aina hua.
Where is she?
Aina here.
Where is how will say where is mother?
Aina ami.
Okay. Where is my mother? Why Aina ummi?
Ummi.
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 Aina ummi. Okay. Where is my brother?
Brother is Akun.
Yeah.
Aina Aki.
Akhi.
My brother.
Okay. My brother. Okay. Where is my sister? Aina?
Sister is a difficult word, sir. Wait, let
No.
me.
No. I'll tell you. Akhun ukhtun.
Uktun.
Akhi.
Ukti. Aina ukti.
That's all. What difficult word? What difficult? Very simple. Difficult. What is difficult here?
I don't know. For some reason, it is a bit difficult for me.
Ukti.
Akun is easy, brother.
Okay. Akhi.
Ukti.
Akhi, my brother. Ukti, my sister.
My sister.
Ummi, my mother.
Ummi, my mother.
Okay. Next one is Zauji, my husband.
Zauji, my husband.
My
Yeah.
husband. Okay. Then so somebody is asking you, ma man zaujuka.
Man Zaujuka.
Man zaujuki. Somebody, because they are addressing you. Man zaujuki. Who is your husband? Who is your husband?
Zauzuki Venkatesh.
Okay. So no, you will not say. I am asking you, man zaujuki, but you will say zauji. E
Oh,
is it, eh?
okay.
Zauji, huh? E,
Mm-mm.
last one. That is attached pronoun. So once again, man zaujuki.
Zauzi Venkatesh.
That's all very simple. So this is very useful words here, but you are not familiar with why and which. There here this
Yes.
thing also here, this thing also here. So same thing. We'll go back with some photograph. You may get much better idea. See, I can renew with some cartoon also there. Huh? So
Yes.
this is a ma. This is, you can see limaza in Tamil, in English also there.
Yes.
Limada. Limada means what?
Why?
Why? Okay, limada. Why? Here can you read this sentence here in English? Question mark.
L- English.
Limada. Limada.
Limada tab habu ila al madrasa.
Okay. Limada tadhabu ilal madrasa. What is the translation?
Why do you go to school?
Yeah, okay. Why do you go to school? You can make it tadhabu. Tadhabu, you can make it for anything. So, where is Venkatesh near? Venkatesh now?
He is in Doha.
Doha. You can ask him. Limada tadhabul Doha. Limada tadhabul Doha.
Okay, sir. Limada the habu Doha.
Doha. Why you go to? He will say, ana amil, ana amil hunak. But this is very lengthy. I am working there. See, ana amil, ana amil hunak. I am working there. So you can make lima tadhabu ilal bayt. You can make it lima tadhabu ilal bayt. What is the meaning of bayt? Baytun.
Ghar.
Okay. Why are you going to? Why are you going to the house?
House.
Okay. Okay. Souk. What is the meaning of souk? Souk mean
Souk.
souk.
I
In
don't.
in Qatar, everywhere this very famous word. Souk mean market, shopping.
Mm.
Uh, So I will say, why are you going to shop? How will make it? Limada
Limada tad habu
ilal souk.
ilal souk.
Ilal souk. Okay.
Ilal souk.
Ilal souk. You can make
Limada
it.
tabu habu.
Yeah.
Tab. Tad habu. Tad
Tadhabu.
habu.
Ilal
Limada
souk.
tad habu. Souk.
Ilal souk.
Ilal souk. Ilal souk.
Okay. So the last one you can change it. Why do you go to school? Why do you go to market? Why do you go to house? Same thing. You can make it out. Okay.
Mm.
So let's. Limaza is why. You can keep in mind. Limada.
Mm.
Okay. So next one is we'll go. You can see here what mada. Mada.
Mada.
Mada. Same before what. There is one more word is there for what. That is ma. Remember?
Ma.
Mahada. Okay.
Mahada.
That ma can be used for the nouns and pronouns only. Okay.
Okay.
Nouns, pronouns, adjectives that can be used. That is
Mm.
ma. But here same thing. Mada is used for the verbs here.
Mm.
Okay. There is a two. Ma means what? Here mada also what? So
Mm.
difference is ma can be used for the nouns,
Mm.
whereas pronouns, and maza can be used for the verb. Ma can be used for the nouns, pronouns.
Mm.
Here, how you can maza taktubu? What? Maza
Mada
taktubu.
taktubu. What
What
are
is
you writing?
what are you writing? So suppose is same you can put it here. Taktubu you can make tashribu. Tashribu. Tashribu means what? Sharibun means what? Uh, Tashribu. Sharibun means what? Drank, right?
Drank.
Past. Okay. Tashribu means drinking.
Drinking.
Drinking. So you can make it. Can you write it down? Some
Yes,
of
yes, I'm
the
writing it
sounds.
down, sir. Okay, done.
First one is Mada Taktubu. Same
Taktub.
thing. Taktubu. Then what are you writing?
What are you writing?
Okay. Next one is Mada Tashribu. What are you
Tashribu.
what are you
What are
drinking?
you drinking? Water.
Okay.
Moj.
Uh, he will say Ashribu. Ashribul Moya.
Ashribul Moya.
That is an answer. Ashribu. This because this is a conjugation.
Okay.
Tashribu means what are you doing? This is still we have not come to more conjugation present tense. But before that, I am giving some background. So how these things are going. Mada, Mada Tashribu. Okay. Maza Takulu. Maza Takulu. That
Hmm.
means what are you eating?
What are you eating?
Yeah. What are you eating? Uh, okay. Maza Tashribu. Maza. Okay. What are you writing? Uh, one more is Mada Takrau. That means what are you reading?
Mada Takraw. What are you reading?
What are you reading? Okay.
What are you reading?
Reading. Uh,
Okay.
okay. Maza Tanzuru. What are you looking?
Tanjuru.
Tanzuru. 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 What are you looking? What are you seeing?
Okay.
Okay. So just stand up. Just stand up. So it is very commonly used, this one. So next one is here. See again, ma has come. It's making a difference. Before ma's are used with the verb. Here they see ma means again what? Ma ismuka. What is your name? Ma ismuki. The ma ismuki for here the girl is asking to the boy. They say ma ismuka. Ma ismuka. What's your name?
Hmm.
So how will say? Ana
Ana
Vidya.
Vidya.
Vidya. Or else Ismi Vidya.
Ismi Vidya.
Somebody asked Ma Ismuka. Ana means there are two versions.
Hmm.
When you are very confident showing in the interview, Ma Ismuka. You cannot say like a student holding your hand, is me, my name is so and so. Like this is like a LKG boy, huh? LKG girl. Anna Sri Vidya. That means Anna, that's all. I am so. That means showing your confidence. So the two version you can use. Anna means you are showing you're well capable. Got it?
Hmm.
Okay. My smoky means for the lady. My spukum. My smoking. What are your names? The group of people. What are your names? My smokum. My smokunna.
What are your
My
names?
yeah. So the group of people. Maybe you are a team leader. My smokum. My smokunna. My smokum for the masculine group.
Okay, sir.
My smokunna the feminine group. You
Ismi
mm. Kakumakum ki kumakunna.
Kunna.
Eh?
Kakumakum ki kunna.
That's why I taught you these pronouns are very important. Everywhere it's coming. Eh?
Okay, sir.
So ma. So there was a difference between mada and ma. Now you got it? Ma come with the noun only. Hmm? Ma, for example, here ma. Mahaja. What is this?
What?
Mahaja. What is this? Coming with the pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Mahaja. What is this? Mahazai. What is this? Feminine. Ma dalika. What is that? Ma tilka. What is this? Feminine. Hmm. Writing, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mahada. What is this?
For girl.
Mahazai.
Hazai,
Mahazai.
what is this for girl?
Okay. Then ma dalika. What is that? Masculine.
Hmm.
Ma tilka. Again, what is that? Feminine.
Okay.
Okay, we'll go next slide now. So, you know already, aina, we did so many things, right? Aina. Here actually, still we are not covered this one. This is I'm telling about have been. Uh, you can make it aina anta means where are you? Aina kunta means where have you been? This is perfect continuous. Uh, aina kunta, that where have you been? You know, you remember the poetry in school, UKG or LKG will the teachers tell you, pussycat, pussycat, where you have been? I've
Yes,
been
sir.
to London, look at the queen. That have been. Aina kunta. Aina kunta. Aina, if it is a masculine, the girl is asking to the boy, where you have been? If it is feminine, Aina kunti. Ah, where have you been? Aina kunti. This kunti is not Mahabharata kunti. Huh?
Yes, sir.
This Kunti is not Mahabharata. This Kunti is different. Huh? So, Ayana Kunta, where have you been? Mm. Otherwise, where you were also coming. WERE. Where have you been? This is Ayana Kunta, Ayana Kunti, Ayana Kuntum. Where you group of the Ayana Kuntum, where you have been, all the group of the people. I, other one, Ayana Kuntunna.
Group of...
No, 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 no need, no need. That's not real. Just Aina Kunti, that's enough.
Okay, sir.
So you can make it for you, for yourself, you can Anakunna. Anakunna.
Anakuna.
I have been. Anakunna fil baiti. I have been in Anakunna fil baiti. I have been in the house.
Okay.
Otherwise, you can say uh, Anakunna fil adara. I have been in my department. Adara means department. Adara, write it Adara. Adara. Ada. Adara. Adara means department.
Department.
Okay, for department manager, I will say
Adara. Mudir.
Mudir Adara. Or there is one more, there is, but very stylish Rais al Adara. Rais
Rice Adara.
with their great respect when you're telling appreciating your who are Rais Al Adara, he is department manager. Otherwise who are Rais Al Adari, he is my department manager. Rais means Rais, you can say for the president also, or the general manager also, big people, huh? For example, manager, you can Mudir Al Adara, department manager. Rais means maybe CEO, CFO, chairman, president, that's called Rais. Even for the country president also we call it prime minister also we call in Arabic Rais. But literally the meaning of Rais is in a way they are very rich, highly rich in education, or highly rich in money, highly rich in quality. There's so many things comes there. Rais is very qualitative term actually. So, Aina Kunta. Aina, where? Aina. We already know this. Aina Kunta means I've been. We can say Ana Kunna fil baiti. I have been in the house. Ana Kunta fil ladara. I have been in the department. Uh, okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Done. I have written it already.
Next one. Mm, can you read it in English? Mata.
Ada.
Mata.
Mata.
Mata means
Mata.
when, when. Here the counter, there is a passenger is asking, Mata, okay, Mata sa tusafir. Sa is telling, Mata, just write it down. Mata tasafir. Tasafir means, when are you going?
Okay.
Tusafir. T-U-S-A. Musafir. Musafir means, Hindi. Musafir means what? Passenger.
Mm.
Uh, Musafir, passenger. So here tusafir means mata. Tusafir means traveling. Mata tusafir means when are you traveling? When are you travel? This is a traveling word. Mata tusafir. Sa tusafir mean when will you travel? Sa tusafir means when will. Sa is telling about this. We'll learn. Don't worry. Sa.
Hello.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mata tusafir. When will you travel? Mata tusafir. When will? So next one we'll go. So next one. Ayya.
Ayya,
Ayya.
which?
Which one? Ayya kitab turid. Turid means
Turid.
want.
Turid
Want.
is want. Kitab.
Want. أي كتاب أي كتاب تريد أي كتاب تريد. That means which book do you want?
Hmm.
Then you can say how you'll make it, which pen you want. Can you try?
Ayya kalamun turid.
Okay, okay, okay. Which so what more you can make it? So Halaman is easy for you. Uh, which car you want? How will say?
Ayya sayyara turid.
Okay, good. Okay, for you it takes some times to pick up. Like, come to the line. Okay, okay. So in Arabic also for sari also they say saris.
Mm-hmm.
Which sari you wanted? How will say?
Ayya sari turid.
Okay, that's all. So how will say? Suppose Venkatesh is asking you, Ayya sari turid Sri Vidya. Then you will say your
Which
answer would
sari do
be
you want, Vidya?
Uri. You will say
Turid.
Urid. Urid. You will say Urid.
Urid.
Urid. Urid.
Urid.
Urid. Urid sari.
Urid sari.
Loan.
Uh,
Loan al ahmar.
Loh
Loan.
Ahmad.
Loan al ahmar. Low yellow, just like this. Yellow and loan al ahmar. Red color sari. Loan means color. Ahmar means red. What is the color of sari you are wearing? There is a DP you put it sometime before with the Venkatesh. Yellow?
No. That was now also it's there, no?
Yeah. No, there is a DP sometime before you are hand extending with the Venkatesh. Remember?
That DP, it is. It's
Yellow.
not sari, sir. It is half sari.
Okay, whatever it is, half a quarter, but sari is a sari.
Yellow.
Yellow. Asfar.
Aspar.
Ana turidu saril asfar. Yellow sari. Ahmar means red sari.
Ahmar. Okay.
Okay. Akzar. Akzar. Aghsar. Akzar means green.
Okay.
Okay. So, but I don't want to tell white. Aswad means you are black, for you, black also will be good. Mm. So, Aswad.
Aswad.
ASW. Aswad means black.
Hmm.
Okay. So, other one is Burtakhal. Burtakhal. Orange. Burtakhal. Burthakal.
Purtakhal means?
Burtakhal means orange. Orange.
Hmm.
Urid sari burtakhal. I want orange sari.
Okay.
Okay. So, so this is about want means turid. When you want, I want means urid, right? Urid. That
Hmm.
keep in mind. This is very common. Hmm. Aye
Okay.
kitab. Okay, then lemon. We did sometime before this one. Lemon. Whose? He's asking. Liman has a sayyara.
Hadihi
Is
as-sayyara.
sayyara.
Hmm.
Whose car is this? Liman, whose
Whose?
car is this? You can say, How you will say this is my car? Hazai
Hazahi sayyar
sayyarati.
sayyari.
Okay, this is mine.
Mm.
My car. Okay. Uh, for example, your car, how will say? Liman hazai sayyar. Hazai sayyaru ka. Ka.
Sayyaruka.
Ka kumakum. Remember, your ka kumakum. Sayyaruka. His car. Haza sayyarahu. Eh, his car. Uh, her car. Haza. Farsi, his car. Haza sayyarahu. Her car. Hazahi sayyaruha.
Sayyaruha.
That is her car. Liman Haza is because Sayyara is a feminine. That's why Haza is coming in. Whose car is this?
Okay.
It's very useful, na?
Yes, sir.
I think you will like with the pictures. Just to explain easy, explain easy. So, already this is not a problem. Kef, kef,
Kaf.
kef, kefa, kef. Kef azab ilal. See here, azab is coming. How to go? How can I go to the airport?
Adhabu means.
Yeah,
Adhabu
azab,
means.
azab, azhabu. Azhab means kaf I can. It will apply how I may go, how I can go, how. ठीक है. So كيف أذهب إلى المطار? كيف أذهب إلى المطار? Matar means airport.
Okay.
Asking the way. Taira. Taira. Airport means matar. Taira means aeroplane.
Okay, so done.
Okay. So something related to it. Tazkara. Tazkara means ticket. Tazkara means ticket.
Tazkara means?
Ticket.
Ticket.
T-A-C-K-T. Ticket. Tazkara taira. That means aeroplane ticket.
Tazkara Taira. Aeroplane ticket. Okay.
Okay. Tazkara autobus. That means
Abubis means bus ticket.
yeah, bus ticket.
Okay.
Tazkara khitar. Khitar means train.
Kitar.
Khitar. Khitar. K-H-I-T-H-A-R. Khitar. K-H-I-T-H-A-R. Khitar. Tazkara khitar. Rail ticket. Khitar means ticket. Train. Autobus means bus. Tayyara means aeroplane.
Okay.
So that's the way. Next one is min aina. From where?
Minaina from where?
From where? Min aina. Min aina. Min aina hadra. Hadrata hadal kitab. Where did you bring this? Where did you bring from this? Where did you bring this book from? Uh, hadrat, hadrata.
Hasrata.
Hadrata.
Hasrata.
You can make it more simpler. Say, for example, min aina ishtara ish- ishtar ishtartuka 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 hadal kitab. From where you purchase this? Ishtari means purchasing. Ishtari.
Ishtari.
Ish THA ishtari ishtari ISHTHRI ishtari. Mean
Okay.
ishtari tuka means you purchase. Min aina ishtarituka hadal kitab. From where you purchase this book? Min aina ishtarituka hadal kalam. Okay,
Okay.
something like it. So this is a min aina. From where? One more. One more is something new. Mimma. From what?
Imma. From what?
This is actually combination of the uh, two preposition. One is preposition, while the other one is min. Min means from.
Okay.
Ma means what? When you combine both, it will sound like a mimma. Huh?
Mimma.
Min
From what?
actually minma. Mimma.
Mimma.
From what? From what?
From what?
Yeah. This is also okay. Mimma etakun al ma.
Mimma.
Yes.
Yatakawal alma. What does the water consist
Etakwa.
of?
What
From
can?
what does water consist?
Yeah. How it is covered? There's no name. You can say from where, from what.
Okay.
Okay, this is it needs some more explanation actually. So this mimma means you guys remember from what,
Hmm.
from what. Okay, that's will because it needs so much of explanation. Etakuna, takuna, tatakuna, something like akuna, something like that. That's actually perfect present perfect continuous. We don't want know. So man, who you know already. Man bani al ahram. Ahram means pyramids.
Hmm.
Who built the pyramids? Man bani. Man bani. Banna means mason.
Okay.
Banna means that's a profession. Be mason. Uh, al ahram means pyramid. Say pyramids. Same from this the from here only the word come haram. You know what is meaning of haram?
Uh-huh.
Haram means during a Mughal dynasty.
Yes.
Then they will keep a separate palace for all the ladies. Even
Okay.
even because they married so many you know, so many wives and so many servants. So that is the place where that royal ladies reside. That place is called haram.
Okay.
From here only came ihram. This is a pyramids. This pyramids also actually kind of palace in those days in a prehistoric time. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
So who built or who construct the pyramids? Uh, we can say man bani al baiti. We can
Man
say
Bani al Baiti.
who built my house?
Who built
Huh?
my house?
Yes, you
Man
can
Bani
ask
al Baiti.
baiti. Who built my house? Okay. So you can say who built this one. So you can mention his name. So man bani al baiti. Hmm.
Man Bani al Baiti.
Who built my house? Okay.
Hmm.
But if you say man baniya hazal baiti, who constructed this house? Uh, hazal baiti, who constructed this? Who built this house? Ma, man baniya man baniya zalikal baiti, who construct that house? Okay.
Okay.
So many things are coming, right? So from here, I am just giving you. This is exactly. I cannot. I am not mucky to mucky copy. I have to give so many things.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one. Come. Uh,
Come.
how many? How many
How
or
many?
how much? How many or how much? Both will come.
Okay.
Come. Come kitaba ishtarita. See, ishtarita coming here. How many books have you bought? Come kitaba
Come kitaba.
ashtarita. Ashtariyat. How many book? How many books you bought it? Have you bought
Come.
it? This is a perfect tense.
Hmm.
So come kitaba ishtarita. Come khalamun. Come come khalamun ishtarita. How many pens you bought it? Or come come malabis ishtarita. How many dresses you bought it?
Come.
Malabis mean dress.
Malabis. Ma.
Malabi M A L A B I S malabis. Kam malabis ishtaraytu. How many dresses you bought it? You bought it. How many dresses you bought?
Okay, sir. How many dresses you bought?
Come.
Malabis.
Okay. Kam haze. Come and how much is this? Same thing used for. Kam haze. Kam haza. Kam haze. How much? How much is this?
Done, sir.
Okay. Kam irtifa.
Irtifa.
Irtifa. How high?
Come.
Kam irtifa. That means they are telling same thing. How high is the pyramid? Kam كم كم يبلغ ارتفاع الهرم. Uh, how high is the pyramid? كم ارتفاع. How high? How high? This how much height our house? كم ارتفاع بيتنا. نون ألف نا. How much height our house?
Okay.
ما ارتفاعك. What is your height? You know, it's coming there.
My height is very less, sir. 148 centimeters or something.
Fine. Okay, no problem, no problem. But you are still looking like a doll, you know. You are looking like a doll, you know, beautiful doll. Hmm?
Thank you, sir.
It's okay, doll. Always smiling. Though you have a lot of trouble inside, your eyes are showing, but you make your personality glowing, you know. That's a very good spirit. Very good spirit.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So next one.
My
Next
younger brother is just beside me. He's laughing
one.
at your
What
compliments.
is there, huh?
Yes.
Okay, okay. But I am telling the truth, ma. I am telling
Thank
the
you.
truth. I am always tell everybody positive side. I try to encourage. I tell the truth. Okay. So keep the people happy, always. Even if you are lying, keep the people happier. That's the main slogan. So this is the slogan. Slow, and this is the lesson. I think today enough. Huh? I'll send the slides. Try to
Okay, sir.
practice with
Okay,
a
sir.
same thing.
Okay.
This thing I think it will come in your mobile. I think I believe.
Okay. No, no, no. अभी मेरा मेरा लैपटॉप खुला है.
Okay. लैपटॉप में अच्छा लैपटॉप में तुम्हारे ईमेल में डाल दो.
हाँ, sir.
ओके. एंड वीडियो भी डाल दे रहा हूँ. वीडियो भी हो का रिकॉर्डिंग भी हो गया.
Okay, sir.
ओके. ओके. शुक्रन शुक्रन
Shukran.
शुक्रन शुक्रन शुक्रन.
Masalama,
मा
sir.
सलामा.
Masalama. Bye, sir.
बाय बाय.
You went to work and got it.